Hey guys, how you guys doing? Yeah, new angle. Yes, this is Mike, this is Bossway. And today we're going to be doing a review on Vonixx Restaurax. This here is a plastic restorer. We're going to be using it on the trim on this black Explorer. And I'm going to take you there and I'm going to show you, it looks pretty bad, pretty dried out. I had good luck with this product so far. Not a sponsor video. And I'll show you how it comes out, okay? I hope everybody's doing okay. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. Welcome to new subscribers. And you know, this is Mike, a regular guy, a husband, a dad, and a brother, and a neighbor, and your friend. All right? Let me take you there. Let me show you what the car looks like, and then we'll go on with the application. It's all dried out there. See? Really dried out. I didn't do anything to the paint yet. But I'm going to do the plastic restorer. And make this car look much better. Okie dokie. So, get a little applicator. Get it wet. And go to town. Smells like strawberries kind of deal. Strawberry, cherry. They say if you want less gloss to go with a rag afterwards. I'm not gonna do that because I want to stay like this because the plastic's so dried out. I know that it's gonna suck the product right in. So I'm not gonna bother wiping it down afterwards. I'm just gonna leave it like that and let the sun dry it out. But Mike, I can use a tire dressing and do the same thing. Yes, you can, my friend. But there's one humongous difference. Tire dressing is made for tires, not for plastic. It's gonna get greasy, it's gonna get oily, and it's not gonna, it's gonna look nice, but it's not made for that, and it's not gonna last. A lot of people say, oh, I can get the same result with a tire dressing. Yes, you can. Primarily, the way how it looks, yes, it's gonna look identical, but how long it lasts is a different situation. This product here, you can buy, I think at Amazon. It's not a sponsor, trust me. I bought this from a company here in Orlando called Detail Ground. They used to sell, I'm not sure if they still do sell Vonixx products. Vonixx is a brand from Brazil. And one of the beautiful things about Vonixx is that they do really, really, really good smelling products. Products always smell good. Yeah, I can tell that this is really dry, but it looks much, much better. I don't want it to look like the, we just put, 3 coats of gloss into the plastic. I want the plastic to look, new, not glossy. So I've seen some plastic restorers that, look like you paint it, but I don't want that. That's not how it came from the factory. I just wanted to darken them up, how they used to be. Just darker looking. But Mike, how long should it last? Well, if the car sits in the sun, 2-3 months, mind you, the sun here in Florida, today it's over 90 already. It's hot. Not a single breeze or anything like that. I'm taking opportunity of this. I got a big oak tree here in my front yard, so it gives me a little bit of shade. But the shade is almost done in the morning. So I might have to resort going back to the garage. I always wear gloves because of the chemical. Just let the owner of the vehicle know when you apply those things, they might be a little bit slippery for a little while. But with time, the slippery part goes away, and then you just get the plastic restore part of the restoration part of the product. Okay, but yes, for the first day or so, yes, it's going to be a little bit slippery. So don't go putting this on side steps because it's going to be very slippery. All right, can you guys see the difference? See right there the difference now? Now you can, because it's in the shade. Shine is about 4.5 stars. Durability is about 1, 2, 3, 4 stars out of 5. So, yeah. It's saying that if it's horribly, you know, faded out, after 60 days, do another reapply. And you can also, remember, you can go a different route with this, but it costs you more money. You can buy a plastic coating. Plastic coating is going to run you, this is going to run you about 25 bucks. Plastic coating is going to run you about 50. You know, it's your choice. What you feel comfortable with. 50 bucks, 25. You know, what I have done in the past, my personal cars, as soon as I get them, I'm putting a plastic coating. So I automatically give additional protection to the plastic, so it will take longer for it to fade out. I did that on the Boss 302. I did that on the Escalade. That's my suggestion. So we can put that coating right on the plastic, which is going to make the plastic, you know, have additional sacrificial coating, where once the sun hits it, the coating is going to take the beating, not the plastic, you know? So far, not too bad. Not too bad. I think this is going to work out pretty darn good. Don't be cheap with it, okay? That's my suggestion. Don't stretch the chemical because it's being cheap, especially on the plastic rejuvenator, because plastic rejuvenator, you apply on a plastic that is already dried out. That's why you fade it. Oh, but you can use the hair dryer or the heat gun trick. Yes, you can. I'm not in favor of it, but yes, you can. Because if you do something stupid with a plastic, you melt the plastic. There's no crying about it. You're stuck replacing it. You know? So I prefer to put the rejuvenator on a plastic and call it a day. And then, if I need to reapply it in a few months, reapply it. I know, Mike. Yeah, I got a little bit on the paint, but I'll wipe it before I put whatever I'm going to put in this paint. Putting a lot to let the plastic soak up, and then I'll wipe it. If I get into the paint, I'll simply wipe it. As you can see, it looks darn nice. It looks really good, and I'm gonna continue on around the car. Again, guys, do not use oil-based. You know, I call oil-based tire dressings that are like all the shiny stuff, really shiny stuff. That's pure silicone. You don't want to put all that in there because you will dry it up after a while, and you will have that thing, once it rains, you have that little spill-looking water spot coming down. So far, I'm really happy with how the paint looks. I was expecting worse because the car was really dirty, but I still need to put the sealant on the paint, and I'll show you that in a different video. I'm gonna do this first because this takes a while to soak in. Now it's the fun part, the front grille. I got some, I need to scrape some stuff out of here, like pieces of grass that are glued in. But we'll take care of that in a little while. You know what I have to do? On my hands and knees. Fun, fun, fun. Don't worry about it if you spill a little bit of the product or splash a little bit on the paint. It's very easy to wipe it. I'm gonna ask my video editor to fast forward so you guys don't need to, you know, watch paint dry. In other words, it's coming out pretty nice. I like it. I like the results. I didn't have to do a whole lot to this paint other than wash, clay mitt, decon. I used Road Warrior, I think is the name of the soap, from Superior Products, and So far, so good. All right, look at that, guys. Beautiful. So let me show you now. But Mike, it looks wet. Don't worry about it. We're gonna wipe it clean later. So pretty much this video that you're seeing today, right now, is based on Restaurax from Vonixx. I use this on a plastic on a Ford Transit. Came out pretty good. You know, the Ford Transit vans, they have that big plastic trim, and this plastic here was really dried out, really dried out. So this is what we're gonna do here. Let me show you. Just a little extra protection, and makes it look nicer, right? You just wipe the glass if you smear anything. Okay, it's not that difficult. All right, now let's do the cowl. The cowl is this plastic piece here, guys. This right here. So soak the heck out of it, because it's dried out. It will suck a lot of the product, I guarantee you. Mike, if you get in the glass, easy wipe. You can wipe it off. I put it usually in the wiper blades too, but Mike, if you get in the glass, wipe it. Just plastic. It's a restore. It will come out. I usually like doing it is this. So you make the, even though this wiper blade has seen better days, but you just make it look darker by doing that. All right, look. Looks nice, doesn't it? I think it is. Mike, you got smeared there. I did, I know. No, it's no big deal. No big deal at all. So I prefer to do this before putting the coating, sealant spray, wax, whatever you want to put on the paint, because you're gonna have to wipe this before you put anything on the paint. So if you get this product on the paint, you wipe it first, then you do the sealant. You know. What if you get it on the glass? How long do you have to clean it? How much time do you have available to clean it? Oh goodness gracious, you have hours. Okay, because it's a oily product that, you know, a little Windex or glass cleaner will take it right out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you how the trim came out. The trim coating from Vonixx came out pretty darn good. Look at the mirror, the moldings came out real nice. All right, let me show you the back. Just right, looks new. It doesn't look glossy or anything like that. It has some gloss, but it's gonna fade out anyway. Okay guys, so there you go. That's the video for Restaurax by Vonixx Plastic Restorer. I used it, I don't know, about this much, because the plastic was really dried out. I used my own pad here. And other than that, I mean, I think that it did the plastic just right, okay? I don't want this thing to look like that it's part of the paint. I want it to look like that it's plastic trim that has been rejuvenated. It looks new again, and that's how it looks. As you saw, I saturated the heck out of the plastic and let it soak up. I did not, because a lot of people, they say, oh, I don't want it to look that shiny, and they wipe it. Yes, you can wipe it, but if the plastic is really dried out, you're gonna let the plastic just soak the product, and it will look okay once it's done. All right, guys? So that's my review for this week, and I appreciate you all. I want to welcome all the new subscribers. We had several new subscribers last week, and I appreciate you all, okay? And if you like the video, like the content, or you like me, all right? Hey, help me grow this channel. Tell your friends, share this video, subscribe down at the bottom, and keep your eyes open. I always got new videos every week and shorts twice a week. All right? You take care. God bless you. I'll see you next time.